Once there was a tiger who lived in his den. He was so selfish that nobody wanted to be his friend. One day he was eating bony flesh, but unfortunately, while eating, a bone stuck in his teeth. He tried hard to remove the bone. He cried of excruciating pain, but nobody came to help him. Then a kind woodpecker came to help him. The woodpecker promised to remove the bone from his teeth on the condition that the tiger would always give him a part of his food. The tiger agreed, and the woodpecker took out the bone with its sharp beak. One day the tiger was eating the woodpecker came to him and asked to share, but the tiger refused to give even a piece of flesh and said, "You should be thankful that I did not kill you when you entered my mouth." Hearing this, the woodpecker was embittered at the ungrateful tiger. Then the woodpecker pecked the tiger in one eye. The tiger roared with pain, and the woodpecker said, "You should be thankful that I didn't damage both your eyes."